Why should I start my online business now? Is this the most opportune time to start a business? Hey, Flor here. And if you watch this video, you will know why 2021 is the best year for online business owner. Number one is thriving web population. At least half of the household now have at least one or multiple internet connection. Number two, consumption of online content is higher than ever. The exponential growth of online content in volume, variety, and vividness created more engagement opportunities for business than ever before. Number three, unmatched flexibility and freedom. Thanks to the super fast connectivity of the real-time technologies and advanced communication system. As online business entrepreneur, we can run our business by working on a laptop while sitting on a coffee shop or at home. This creates a more flexible, free, and at least stressful environment for employees and management while always ensuring optimum productivity. Number four, highly cost competitive. From maintenance and overhead costs to store employees to real estate prices to lease commitment, there are plenty of costs involved in offline business operation. In complete contrast to online business, have the least requirement of inventory, stocks, maintenance, employees, and financial risk factor. Number five, smarter business with lots of alternative. The online platform allows unparalleled opportunities and avenues to generate revenues with little stakes. With online business, you can completely avoid the risk of physical storefront inventory and several other overhead costs. How I wish I had an online business back then, 20 years ago. When I started my online business in 2019, we have only 15,000 global community of business owners. Today, as I speak, we have 82,000.2K member in our global community, and it is increasing. If you think that owning an online business are expensive right now, wait until this time of the year next year. You're going to realize it's nearly double. And in fact, every single year, it's just keep going up. That's why you wanted to start now. Click on my link to register for free, and I will send you our global event worldwide on the web, which will tell you the real picture how this business will work for you. We also have a live events with Q&A portion at least twice a week. I am going to send you all the details after you registered. By the way, remember, the future is coming at us faster than ever, and so are online business. It is not going to slow down. Time is running, and you better start now. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you soon.